This is the doing of the Lord. My eyes have seen the goodness of the Lord. I can't explain His mercies every day. Testimonies all around.
Broken people pray broken prayers, and they speak broken things. That's why the Bible says God heals the broken-hearted. You see, people are fast to seek healing in the body. They don't seek healing in their brokenness.
He has changed my story.